Today, we're going to talk about training ChatGPT to write copy in your voice. Now, this is really cool because obviously it's an issue if you have a robot generate a bunch of content for you and maybe it's okay, but it sounds weird or it sounds like it was written by a robot or written by someone else. This is an issue anytime you hire a copywriter and you're like, I would never say that. So you can actually use the robot, use the machine to write copy in your own voice. So this is an experiment I did with my wife's business. And what we did was we actually copied all of the copy from one of her sales pages that she wrote. We popped it into ChatGPT and we asked it to start writing stuff. So we had it writing some ads, writing some Facebook posts, writing a blog post. And it was really, really interesting because the machine works off of the input that it's given. So when we're having it create an ad based on this copy, it's using the same words and it's using the same through point and the same kind of theme of the content that we provided. So it's very easily now able to sound almost the same as my wife would if she was writing the content herself. Now, this is great because she has actually hired a lot of copywriters in the past, and sometimes they don't write like she would. They say things that she wouldn't, and it can be a little bit of an issue because it can create a disconnect with her target audience. And it was super cool to see that ChatGPT could actually start to speak like her when we used an input that she created in her own voice. So give this a shot for your business. Try taking any pieces of copy, like a sales page, an ad that you've written, a post that you've written, or an email that you've written, popping it in there and having it create additional content. And I think it's going to start to create content based on your voice. What I would recommend is the longer you can create something that you insert, the better the likelihood of it matching. So if it's 2 sentences, it's not going to have a lot of information to pull from. But if you have a 1,000 word sales page, then that's going to be a much better source to put in there. So give this a shot, use it to write some content for you, leverage this tool, which is taking the world by storm as I record this. That's it for today. We'll talk to you soon.